it's Megan. I do hope all of you enjoyed a wonderful Christmas. Today is going to be a fun video as I am going to be showing you guys what I did receive as part of my Louis Vuitton luxury Christmas unboxing haul. I do want to let everybody know that does not know that I currently have a giveaway going on for the limited edition Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette Christmas Edition 2020. This is an international giveaway that's been extended a few days from Thursday, January 31st to Tuesday, January 5th. Shortly after January 5th, I will be accumulating all entries and a giveaway announcement video will be released. I will be doing it live with you guys. I can guarantee you this is going to be a very fair and just giveaway. I'll briefly go over the rules of entry. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and then go to the comment section below. Comment the word enter, followed by something that you are grateful for, and then to follow me on Instagram. If you are not on Instagram, if you could note that within your comment below, I would greatly appreciate it. And there is a way to gain 2 bonus entries. All you have to do is go to my Instagram page, look for that Instagram post, tag 2 people that you think might be interested in this giveaway, and you will be given those 2 bonus entries. If I did go over that a little bit too quick, the directions are definitely located within the description box below. Also, feel free to head on over to my official giveaway video. Best of luck to everybody that enters. Now let's get into the unboxings. I'm going to start off with this one. I must say, I think you guys will agree that Louis Vuitton did a beautiful job when it came to the packaging this year. It does come in a dust bag like this, and I must be honest, I cannot even believe that I'm holding this in my hands right now. I'm so ecstatic and thrilled. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Beautiful and gorgeous, stunning. It's peeking through to say hi. Beautiful Louis Vuitton Game On zippy coin wallet. This particular print really reminds me of that multicolor collection. The craftsmanship to this piece is absolutely amazing, and the way that it feels in my hands is extremely luxurious. I did see this piece on the Louis Vuitton website, but what I did not know until Christmas morning is that it has this beautiful charm hanging right off the zipper. So the front print of the wallet wraps all the way around, and then when you want to get inside of the wallet, it does have a very smooth and buttery glide, and you guys can see it does have a black interior. What I really love about this wallet is the fact that it can hold quite a bit. And I really love the fact that when I opened it on Christmas morning that I saw that it was made in France. It is truly craftsmanship that matters most to me, but if I can have a piece that's made with wonderful craftsmanship in combination with the fact that it was made in France, that is a little bit of an added bonus. I am very happy that I was able to obtain this piece. This Game On zippy coin purse wallet will not be taken for granted. Moving right along, the next item that I'm going to show you guys does come in a box like this. I truly do not know what took me so long to get these, but I am so happy to now have them. I'll go ahead and show you guys what is going to get a lot of use. They are very gorgeous. They are very, very pretty, and I finally have them. The Louis hoop earrings. What took me a little bit to get these is that I thought that they held some weight to them, and I really like lightweight earrings, but I'm happy to say that I was incorrect because when I tried these beautiful earrings on, I did not find them to be heavy at all. For any of you guys that might be interested in these gorgeous hoop earrings, I'll go ahead and try them on for you. Okay, so I do have them on, and they do look like this. You guys can see from the inside, they do look like this. And then from the side, they do look like this. I really find these to be the perfect size. They are not too big and they are not too small. So for any of you guys that are interested, these do come in gold as well as silver. Those silver ones are now on my wish list. I did decide to go with the gold initially because, as a lot of you guys know, a lot of Louis Vuitton bags do feature the gold hardware, so I thought they would match perfectly. So the next item that I'm going to show you guys is not of Louis Vuitton. It's the one thing I got for Christmas that's not Louis Vuitton. I have been wanting this for quite some time, over a year in fact. The problem is I keep getting distracted by Louis Vuitton, but I'm happy to say I now have this. I'll go ahead and remove it from its dust bag to reveal to you guys something that is so beautiful. I think some of you guys have an inclination as to what this is. Let me give you a hint. Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. That might really explain it to a lot of you guys. I was able to get this beautiful and gorgeous Prada re-edition 2005 bag. So happy because I really can't tell you guys how much I adore the multi-pochettes. I do have this on the shortest setting but what I really love about this strap is the fact that you can wear it over the shoulder, crossbody, and then you can easily detach this strap right here and choose to use this silver chain as a more elegant evening bag. I'm actually a little bit fascinated about the fact that I am extremely excited about owning this bag. That is definitely due to two reasons. One being the fact that I've wanted it for so very long, and two, I adore the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, and this reminds me so very much of it. So back to Louis Vuitton, the next item that I'm going to show you guys is really the one that I'm most excited about. So I'll go ahead and reveal to you guys what I consider to be the holy grail to my collection as of now. That's how highly I think of this bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. It wants to peek through and say hi. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I can't even explain. So pretty. It's coming through. It's making its way. Beautiful and gorgeous. Game on, Felicie. Given the fact that this is my very first Felicie, I really didn't know what to expect as far as size and what I could fit in. But I was pleasantly surprised that I can definitely fit in my essentials with no problem. The exterior does look like this. It is so pretty and stands out in such a gorgeous way. And it does come with the oh so elegant gold chain, which I absolutely adore. I really couldn't ask for a better strap for this bag. And then making our way inside of the bag, you guys will see that it does come with this beautiful and gorgeous little pouch right here that I think is so cute. I definitely plan and can't wait to use this piece on other bags. And then another thing that it does come with is this card holder right here. I don't know how much I'll be using this, but that's okay. I think it's a great accessory that it does come with. And then you can see inside of the bag, it's much more roomy than I thought it would be. As you guys can see, it does feature this pocket, and what's really special to me, I did mention that I like when products are made in France, but a place that's even more special than that is Italy, and this bag was made in Italy. And that definitely makes this a more sentimental bag for me, a better bag for me, because my dad was Italian, he did pass away, so now whenever I look at this bag, I'm definitely gonna think of him. So now that I've gone ahead and shown this to you guys, I always like to unbox before I use a bag. Now I can use this bag, now I can display this bag. I am absolutely in love. Again, can't believe that I own it. Extremely grateful to now have this beautiful piece added to my collection. So last but definitely not least, I do have this to show you. Here it is within the dust bag. My first impression when I saw it online was, I don't know if it's for me, but then it started growing on me, and then I thought to myself, I really want that piece. This is the beautiful and so cute, yay! These like to peek through, pardon them. so cute and pretty Louis Vuitton Game On Cosmetic Pouch PM. I love the fact that Louis Vuitton made a monogram cosmetic pouch with a beautiful print to it. The colors on this piece are so pretty. I am just loving the pink with the light purple, and then on the back you do have a red heart. And yes, I do love heart, and I am absolutely loving this color red against this monogram canvas. I'm sure a lot of you guys know, but for those of you that do not know, the interior of these cosmetic pouches do feature a washable interior. It also has a roomy interior pocket right here, and I was pleasantly surprised when I did see that this piece was made in France. Also, the cosmetic pouches feature a very buttery slide. Now my cosmetic pouch PM in the monogram canvas is going to get a break, because this one is definitely going to get a lot of use as well. And now, since I've unboxed this with you guys, I get to use it, I get to display it. I feel very fortunate to now have it within my collection. So that is going to be it for my Louis Vuitton luxury Christmas unboxing haul. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the items I did go over, the Louis Vuitton Game On Zippy Coin Purse Wallet, the Louis Vuitton Louise Hoop Earrings, the Prada 2005 re-edition bag, the Louis Vuitton Game On Felicie, or the Louis Vuitton Game On Cosmetic Pouch PM, please do leave those in the comment section below, as I do adore hearing from you guys. Okay, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today is going to be a little bit different from the typical messages that I do give, but I will briefly be going over the topic of great expectations for the year 2021. And I'll also be including very important intercession petitions for us to give to God for the year 2021. When I do say great expectations for the year 2021, I do mean calling in wonderful things for your life in the upcoming year. There are so many wonderful promises God has given us through the Bible, but I truly believe it is up to us to make those promises come to pass. The Bible truly is a manual on how to live our lives. It also is a guideline on how to receive blessings within our lives. Call in greatness for the year 2021. Know that God is always with you and He will never leave you. His mercy endures forever, as well as His love. Go into the year 2021 spiritually armed, knowing that no matter what comes your way, you can handle it. And when you do pray to God, feel that peace that surpasses all understanding, and I urge you to pray bold, faith-filled prayers. What I'm going to do is say some petitions for the year 2021 and moving forward. After I'm done reading the petition, please say, "Lord, graciously hear us." I would like to give you guys a moment to offer up your personal petitions, your personal prayers that you would like to have answered. That was definitely heard. So what we all do right now is say, "Lord, graciously hear us." I'll repeat that again. Let's all say that at the same time. Lord, graciously hear us. So I'll be looking down. When I look up, that means we all say, "Lord, graciously hear us." Let us pray to God, who alone makes us dwell in safety. For all who are affected by coronavirus through illness or isolation or anxiety, that they may find relief and recovery. Lord, graciously hear us. For those who are guiding our nation at this time and shaping national policies, that they may make wise decisions. Lord, graciously hear us. For doctors, nurses, and medical researchers, that through their skill and insights, many will be restored to health. Lord, graciously hear us. For the vulnerable and the fearful, for the gravely ill and the dying, that they may know your comfort and peace. Lord, graciously hear us. For our homes and families, our schools and young people, and all in any kind of need or distress. Lord, graciously hear us. For a blessing on our local community, that our neighborhoods may be places of trust and friendship, where all are known and cared for. Lord, graciously hear us. We commend ourselves and for all whom we pray to the mercy and protection of God, merciful Father. Lord, graciously hear us. I can definitely feel His peace, and I hope that you do as well. I thank you for taking the time to pray with me. I know that went very, very far within the heavenly dimension. So that is going to be it for the topic of great expectations for the year 2021. Also, our petitions to God. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did just go over, and or any comments or questions on my Louis Vuitton luxury Christmas unboxing haul, please do leave those in the comment section below. I will reiterate, I always reiterate, I love hearing from you guys. I thank you so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I am very, very excited about, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.